Right, you lovely lot. What are we today? Wednesday, and that means it's curry day. Yep, another curry, but that's because we love curries. So tonight I am going to be making absolute banging butter chicken masala. Delish. Absolute delish. So I'm just going to quickly start, actually I don't need to cut this too fine, by chucking in some shallots and tomato and cashew nuts to get my base. Tomato sauce, and then we'll make the base for the curry spices. So just give us a little chop. I'm going to cook them down and then blend them for a lovely jubbly curry paste. So we'll pop those in. And we'll pop my tomatoes in. Just give those a little chop. I just got a little bit of ghee in the pan, or you can use butter because it is a butter chicken masala. I add a bit of butter and cream later. Or really, if you're using cashews, you can even omit that if you don't want it too indulgent. Let that heat up, lid on, and we'll let it cook down for a little bit. Whilst that's doing that, I'll have a little sup on the old Wino Magino. Not bad, it's a Sauvignon, French one. Got to be honest with you, prefer them a bit more from the Southern Hemisphere, although it's not quite cooking wine, it is drinkable. But not my fave. Right, a bit of an optional ingredient is cashews. So you can either use cream or cashews. I am going to use both. Put a good number of cashews in. Good handful in this, you want. Don't be shy. Oh, too windy. It's going to blow my flame out. Nice, right. Right, so my tomatoes have been cooking down for a while. I'm adding a tin of tomatoes just for the colour, basically, and to give me a bit more sauce. It gives me a darker red. So we'll pop those in. Lovely jubbly. Give that a mix. And I've done it at the end. I'm going to blend it, and this cools it down a bit quicker for me. Smart, you see. Oh. Just do that for a couple of minutes. Right. Now, we're going to put our tomato paste in. And you definitely want to sieve it because you want a smooth paste. So don't just chuck it in. Don't be a slacker. You've got to sieve it. Do it properly, or the curry gods will get you. We'll just mush that in there, lovely jubbly.
What sort of chicken is that?
That is masala, chicken masala. I'm doing butter chicken masala. Let's see if I can match root spice. Oh, if you haven't gone, root spice in Bath, best Indian ever. It's not debatable, just go. For the two of you that are watching, pack your bags and go. Right, look at that, beautiful curry sauce. Woo, Haribo's. I can't see what I'm taking, I don't want a heart. You've got to cut the top, darling. What have you done with that ripping? Lid on, we leave the whole spices in, we'll take them out later. Let that cook down. Right, whilst that's cooking, whack your grill on, because what I did this morning before work, I marinated the chicken, and it's really worth doing this. It's basically chicken in Greek yogurt, and I added turmeric, cumin, coriander, ginger garlic, garam masala, mix it all up. You can do it like before, even 48 hours is longer the better, right? You can't go wrong. But it makes such a difference. Now I've not got a tandoor, so I'm going to whack it under the grill, and you want the grill really high. You don't want to cook it through, you just want to get some nice black, some colour on it, some bits of black, and we'll finish it off in the curry. But don't skimp, it's worth doing this step, so don't be slackers, do it properly. Right, washing up done. You didn't see it on camera, but it was me. My two kitchen fairies been sat here watching. Drinking wine. So, whilst we do love a curry in this house, not everyone does. So whenever I do a curry, it means I've got to do a second bloody dish. So, tomato pasta for kitchen fairy number 1. Pasta water, rice water. I'm not sure what flavours go in pilau rice, so I've got to be honest with you, but I always use this, and I won't lie, it works. Pop it in the water you're going to boil your rice in. Nice, we'll come back to that in a moment to turn them over. 5-star service. Wash up, dry up, cook, put it all away, look at that. Right, that's been cooking for a bit, nice. So now we add fenugreek leaves, dry, teaspoon of those. Bit more garam masala, optional, I like, chuck it in. That teaspoon of that as well. Mixy, mixy. And we'll add the chicken in a minute and let it cook through. Done. 10 minutes. Oh, that's a good one. Absolute bish bash bosh. Butter, cream. Even more flavour when I add my chicken. Let's have a little schnufty on that one. Right, chicken nicely grilled. Got some colour on it, good bit of char. I'm going to whack this in the curry. Just more flavour, that's all it's going to be. Winner, winner. Yeah. Right, some butter in. It is butter chicken, so quit your yapping with the amount of butter. Get over it, job done. Nice, mix that in. Oh, creamy, creamy. And I'm going to add a little bit of double cream at the end. So for those of you on a pacemaker, give this one a miss. Now I put the rice straight into the boiling water. None of this up to your knuckle bollocks. Cook it like pasta. When it's almost done, take it out and finish it off with the steam. Never go wrong. Oh, that is absolutely drop your pants gorgeous. Don't forget to like and subscribe. 2 little clicks. Helps support the channel because I've only got about 2 viewers at the minute and maybe 1 subscriber. Anything's better than nothing. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.